How to remove CapCut template watermark. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can remove CapCut template watermark. For this, you want to download and install the CapCut app on your device. Now launch it open. You can sign into your account if you want, but that is not necessary. Now you want to tap on the templates option at the bottom of your screen. You can select any template from here. You can also tap on the search bar over here and search the keyword for a specific template. Once you have found the template that you want to use, go ahead and select that. Now tap on the Use Template option over here. Now you will have to select content from your gallery, then tap on the Next option. As you can see, this is the video preview. At the top right corner, you have the CapCut watermark. If you want to remove the CapCut watermark, then tap on the export option over here. Now you can change the resolution of your video. For that, tap over here and you can simply increase or decrease the resolution. Then tap on the done option. Now you have two options over here. The first one is export without watermark and the second one is just export. If you tap on the second option, you will get the CapCut template watermark. But if you tap on the first one, then it's going to export without watermark. So tap on the first option over here. As you can see, the video has been exported. If you have TikTok installed on your device, it will automatically switch to TikTok. Now, even if you do not want to upload this in TikTok, I'm going to show you how it's going to look in your gallery. Now here on my gallery, I'm going to open this video. So as you can see, there is no watermark in this template, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this.